Welcome back to Dad's Simply Cooking, and today we're going to be making the McRib. This might ruin fast food for you. It's a simple, easy dish that we run and we pay a lot of money for. When if you got ground pork, we can make it at home, and that's what the McRib is. It's ground pork. So let's do this. I have ground pork here, about 1.5 pounds. I got get a sheet pan and get a cookie cutter. We're gonna set it on top because we don't want it. We want the grease to drain. Okay. So now I got my pork in there. I'm gonna throw some Worcestershire sauce in. I'm gonna throw some salt in with my ground pork. Some onion powder. Pepper. This recipe is so easy and it's loaded with flavor. And honestly, it's so much cheaper to make it at home than go through that drive-thru because it seems like every time the McRib comes back, it gets more and more expensive. In all honesty, like fast food prices, they're getting a bit disrespectful. This is all-purpose seasoning. I mean, just going through the drive-thru with a family of 4, I feel like there's a Chase Morgan as I'm pulling through the drive-thru. Would you like to finance over 2 years or 3? No financing today. We're making it at home. Big flavor, good food at home, and you know what's kind of in it. Everything else, all the preservatives, everything else comes in frozen. They heat it up, blah blah blah. Yeah, you don't really know what you get. So we got my ground pork. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It's all about that sesame seed bun. So I got some Pepperidge Farm buns for this. Some white onions, some pickles. I did get some pickles for this. Salt, butter, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Got my paprika here too. Dump that on in. And then we're just going to mix that all in. Your hands are going to get a little dirty. You're going to be fine though, okay? Oh, now that we got that all worked in, I'm going to take a good amount. We're going to get a cutting board for my cutting board. Kind of work it out like how you think the McRib looks. And then we put it on our pan. You had a fresh shower. So I'm going to sprinkle some pepper on top. So I'm going to get some barbecue. This is just Baby Ray barbecue. Put it on top.
I love barbecue.
Look at the camera. She did her makeup today.
That hole. I'll do this one right there. Mom, can you do this one right there?
Yeah. So for $4, it got me a pound and a half of ground pork, and I was able to make 5 McRibs. Let's start these in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 20 minutes. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's check on them. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Of course, you gotta put more barbecue sauce on it. That's the trick with the McRib is it's always smothered in barbecue sauce. The bun's always falling off. Now I got some pickles. Of course, the McRib. It's got to have those pickles on it. If you want onions on it, put onions on yours. Oh yeah, that's good. Y'all quit spending $9 going through the drive-thru when you can make the McRib at home. Juicy, it's good, y'all. It's delicious. Have at it. We're gonna go feed this up for lunch. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching our videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Say peace.
Peace.
Peace.